20th question, write a program to find sum of all items in a dictionary. Aim, algorithm, program and output. Aim, to write a program to find sum of all items in a dictionary. Algorithm, step 1 to 5 is given. Step 1 is start the program. Step 2 is set the sum values of item as dictionary. Step 3 is add all the values of item using built-in function. Step 4 is print the value of sum. Step 5 is stop the program. Program is Python program to find sum of items in a dictionary. My dictionary x is x colon 250 comma y colon 500 z colon 410. It's denote a curly braces. The letters or variable type is denoted as single quotes. Print dictionary of my dictionary. Print slash n denotes a new line. Sum of values my dictionary dot values of. Output is a dictionary y 500 250 z 410. Sum of values is 1160. Result is to find sum of all items in a dictionary program executed successfully. 21st question, explain iterative control. Iterative control statement is a control statement providing the repeated execution of a set of instructions. An iterative control structure is a set of instructions and iterative control statement controlling their execution. While statement is an iterative control statement repeatedly execute a set of statement based on a provided boolean expressions or condition. As long as the condition of a while statement is true means the statement within the loop are re-executed. Once the condition becomes false means the iteration terminated, the control continues with the first statement after the while loop. While statement and example uses while condition or suit. Sum equal to 0, current equal to 1 means n input value enter a value. While current less than equal to n means sum equal to sum plus current equal current plus 1. Input error checking. While statement is well suited for input error checking in a program. It's given a Celsius to Fahrenheit program. Already I am telling this same example program, just displaying the screen. Infinite loops. Infinite loop is an iterative control structure that never terminates or eventually terminates the system error. Infinite loops are generally a result of program errors. Such infinite loops can cause a program of hang, that is to be unresponsive to the user. In such cases, the program must be terminated by use of some special keyboard input. Control plus C to interrupt the execution. For example, add up first an integer means sum equal to 0, current equal to 1, n equal to int input enter a value, while current less than equal to n means sum equal to sum plus current. Definite versus indefinite loops means a definite loop is the program loop in which the number of times the loop will be iterated can determine before the loop is to be executed. Although it is not known what the value is n will be until the input statement is executed, this value is known by the time while loop is reached. It will be executed the n times means sum equal to 0, current equal to 1 means the same example will be denoted this again. And then the infinite loop is a program loop is which number of times the loop will be iterated cannot be determined before the loop is executed means which equal to input enter selection, which exclamatory equal to f1, which exclamatory c, which y equal to input please enter for c. Boolean flags that indefinite loops means a single boolean variable used a condition to be given control statement is called a boolean flag. And then oil change notification program display on the screen, and then init and the get mileage, lost oil change, current mileage display, and then if condition, if else condition will be used to printed the immediate needed or not to display the program. 22nd question, write a Python code to temperature conversion program using function concept. Aim, to write a Python program to convert the given temperature Fahrenheit to Celsius to vice versa depending upon the user choice. Formula user f equal to c into 1.8 plus 32 or c into 9 bar 5 plus 32. C equal to f minus 32 bar 1.8 or f minus 32 into 5 bar 9. Algorithm, step 1 start the program. Step 2 get the input of choice from user. Step 3 if choice is 1 calculate Celsius to Fahrenheit using the formula to given a Fahrenheit formula. Step 4 if choice is 2 calculate Fahrenheit to Celsius using formula Celsius formula to be displayed. Step 5 otherwise end the program. Step 6 is stop the program. So print the option 1 for f and then 2 for c. If condition will be used, else if will be used, the formula will be declared on the program and print the end. Output is enter the option 1 means F2C, 2 means C to F, and then exit the program. So enter the choice 1 to 3 means command prompt denote the 1. Enter temperature to Fahrenheit mean 113.0, temperature is Celsius mean 45.0. Result is thus the given temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius vice versa depending upon the user's choice was developed successfully. 23rd question, explain fundamental turtle attributes and behavior. Absolute positioning. Method position returns the turtle's current positions for newly created turtles. This returns the turtle 0, 0 means turtle's position can be changed using absolute positioning by moving the turtle to a specific x, y coordinate location by use of method set position. So first you have to put a set window title, window equal to turtle.screen of, and then absolute positioning, get default turtle and height, and create a square absolute positioning to give a value of the underscore turtle dot set position, and then exit the close window means turtle dot exit on click off. Turtle heading and relative positioning means the turtle position can be also changed through relative positioning. In this case, the location the turtle moves is determined by its second functional attribute heading. A newly created turtle heading is to the right means 0 degrees. The turtle heading is 90 degrees moves up, heading 180 degrees moves left, with the heading 270 degrees moves down. A turtle heading can be changed by turning a turtle given number of degrees. Left means 90 or right means 90. The forward method moves a turtle in the direction in the currently heading. And then set window title for relative positioning and get value turtle and height for relative positioning, and then create a relative positioning to given a value of left to right and left to forward, and then exit on close window. So turtle dot exit on click off. Method left and right change turtle heading relative and the currently heading. The turtle setting can also be set to be a specific heading by use of method set heading. The underscore title dot heading of 90 in addition method heading is used to determine the turtle's current heading. And then pen attributes the turtle objects related to its drawing, and then capabilities, the most fundamental attributes whether the pen currently up or down, controlled by a method's pen up of pen down of. When pen attributes values up means the turtle can be moved another location without lines being drawn. This is especially needed when drawing graphical images and disconnect segments. So the turtle setup 800, 600 and drawing on A, turtle dot get turtle of to height turtle of pen up set positions to given a pen up pen down and set positions values, and exit the screen. So pen size of turtle determines the width of the lines drawn when the pen attributes down means the pen size method is used to control this. The underscore turtle dot pen size of 5 means the width given in the pixels and limited only the size of the turtle screen, and then the pen size is denoted some values and the same window to differentiate the lines from these values. 24th question, explain inheritance in Python. Inheritance object programming, the abilities of a class inherit a members of another class part of its own definition. The inheriting class is called as subclasses or derived class or child classes, and class inherited from is called the superclasses. Base classes are parent classes. Superclasses themselves inherit others classes, resulting in inheritance in the class. And then example class A, class B, C, D and E to denote the variables and methods, and class A superclass of all the classes in the diagram. So subclass B and E each inherit variable 1 and method 1 class A. Class B define variable 2 method 2, class E method 5, and then class C subclass of class B and inherits a class A and B. Adding variable 3 of method 3 is own definition. Class D is also subclass of class B, inherit everything class A and B defining a method 4. Subtypes means something that can be substituted for the behavior of a parent type. For example, animal, multicellular means mammal means it's a chimpanzee and elephant, and then air, mammary glands, and then vertebrates. So primitive means the large brain, adorable thumbs. This is chimpanzee. Proboscides means trunks, plant eaters is the elephant. So this is the example of subtypes. So defining subclasses in Python means class name of built-in types in Python exists a class definition for each built-in types. Determine the type. So particular value in Python built-in function type can be used. So first BCA model question paper 2 completed.